Put the bag on bag clamping device. It is an electric scale. Click Clear to remove the bag's weight. Turn on the running and stirring. If you use our feeding machine, you can turn on the feeding. Put on the bag and step on the foot switch. It is filling the material with 3 level speeds: fast, middle, and slow. The gross weight is 997. Target weight is 1,000. Click Set Weight and add 3 to slow weight. 1,000 minus 997 equals 3. Fill again. The gross weight is 1,000, with higher accuracy. You can see the filling time on the set weight screen. It is 5.3 seconds. If you want to increase the filling speed, return to the set screen and increase the filling speed. If you need to calibrate the scale, click Start or 0 first, then input the reference weight. Any object with specific weights will do. Put the reference on the clamping device. Click Finish or Calibrate.